Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be unboxing and showing you this STARTRC VCR ND filters for the DJI Mini 3 drones. If you don't know what these are, they're basically sunshades for your drone camera lens, so you can get nice motion blur shots when you need them. Here's everything that comes in the box. A QC pass card, a microfiber cloth, and the filters themselves. You get 3 ND filters, ND16, ND64, and ND256. Here's a closer look at them. Now, here's how to put one on. First, we need to take off the cover over the DJI drone. Just do as I do. As you can see, this is not a clear lens or anything protective. Now, here's how to install an ND filter. Just place it on top. It'll be off center at first. Then give it a little twist and it clicks in. Very gentle. And that's it. This wasn't any big nerd video. I just wanted to show you my ND filters and how to install them. Make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.